it's your girl Shruti. What's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. आज का haul is going to be a random haul because I have bags, shoes, clothes, belts, a lot of everything. Something that I've been wanting to get for quite some while now. तो सारी चीजें आ चुकी हैं. I thought let's do a haul video and share it with you guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. First item I picked up are these Mary Jane heels from Theatre. Now Theatre के heels मुझे काफ़ी टाइम से try out करने थे, but they are quite expensive. So I really wanted to try out one of them if the size fits me, if I like the quality and stuff like that, and then I can explore more of it. And these are the heels I picked up. Look at this beauty. Look at this beautiful cherry red shade. I don't have anything like this, and it looks so freaking good. I am obsessed. Let's talk about the packaging. So it comes in this kind of a box, and सबसे best चीज़ जो मुझे लगी है, they have given this kind of a velvet cover for your heels. So when you're storing them, you can actually make them wear this, and it stays protected from dust and dirt, which is like a really good thing. मैंने अभी तक जितने भी heels खरीदे, ऐसा कोई packaging किसी ने नहीं दिया है. Talking about the heels itself, it's very comfortable. ये जो sole है, it has a little bit of cushioning, so it's very comfortable to slide in. I have picked it up in the size 39 and 39 fits me perfectly. In between size हूँ मैं, 38 कभी कभी fit होता है, कभी कभी 39 होता है, but in Theatre 39 fits me perfectly. And look at that color. I am obsessed. And I've also picked up another one which you'll see in today's video. But in general also ये cherry red color के bags है मेरे पास. But I always pair it up with brown heels या brown chappal that I have or some other color. I did not have anything of the same exact color of that bag. And I really want to start matching my bags with my heels and belt and stuff like that. I think it really adds a lot of thing to your outfit. So yeah, I'm very happy with this purchase. A few things that I really like about this particular heel. कि ये pointed नहीं है, it has this kind of a flat thing. I think this looks way more sexy than the pointy heel thing. Okay, and this is a Mary Jane style kind of a heel. I love that it's not super heavy or tall. It's like stout and it's short. इतना भी short नहीं है, but it gives me the kind of height that I like. I love that it's not covered over here. यहाँ पर बहुत easily मुझे shoe bites होता है. So I wanted something that is open from here, and it has a buckle detailing over here and over here. ओवरऑल जितना भी मैंने ट्राई आउट किया है, ऑब्वियसली आई जस्ट ओपन इट, तो मैंने जितना भी पहन के देखा है, इट्स वेरी कंफर्टेबल. ऑफ कोर्स आई विल बी यूजिंग इट एंड सीइंग वेदर आई गेट एनी शू बाइट्स एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट, बट मुझे काफ़ी रेयर लग रहा है बिकॉज द मटीरियल एंड जो इनर लाइनिंग जो भी सब किया हुआ है काफ़ी हाई क्वालिटी लग रहा है एंड काफ़ी सॉफ्ट एंड कुशनी है, विच अगेन आई डिड नॉट एक्सपेक्टेड. तो ये भी एरिया जो है ना, दिस राइट ओवर हियर, द सोल थिंग, it's nice and cushioned. I'm very happy with this purchase. I'm definitely going to keep it a 10 out of 10. Next item I've picked up is quite random. I've picked up a satin silk bonnet. जो traditional bonnet होता है जो मेरे पास भी है, you just plop your hair everything on top, you wear it and you go to sleep. But उसमें एक चीज़ जो मुझे पसंद नहीं है is when you wake up in the morning, my hair ends up shrinking quite a lot because it's like scrunched up on top over here. And I don't like that look, so I wanted to look for something that will just let my hair be in its natural position. So hence this purchase. It looks something like this. I love the color. It's a beautiful baby pink color, and आप देख सकते हो it's quite long over here and not short like this. Now this will allow me to just let my hair be open like this. All you have to do is put your hair upside down, wear it like a cap, secure it over here. Now this is also very comfortable and soft material जो मुझे अच्छा लगा, and this is satin material. अगर आपको silk material में ये मिले तो grab this. Material wise it's like okay I would say. Next let's talk about the top that I'm wearing right now. Honestly मुझे कपड़े बिल्कुल भी नहीं खरीदने थे, but as soon as I saw this top on Amazon, I knew I had to get my hands on it because it was looking so good on the model and इसके ratings भी काफ़ी अच्छे थे. So it's a cotton floral sleeveless top. आप देख सकते हो ऐसा लग रहा है ये मेरे पे. Now this has this zigzag thing. ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ रैप अराउंड टॉप, जो मुझे लगा कि वो वैसे ही रैप अराउंड रहेगा, बट इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट, इट्स स्टिच्ड. So you just have to wear it like a normal top, and you can tie it over here in the side. Everything is stitched, so it does not open up like this, just FYI. I love the neckline. It's not super deep. Something like a wraparound top में कभी कभी neckline काफ़ी deep हो जाता है, but not on this one. The material is something I feel like it's so good, especially for Indian hot summer climates. It's cotton, it's very soft, very comfortable. It literally feels like I'm not wearing anything, and I really like the print on this as well. I just wish and hope कि ये after wash काफ़ी ज़्यादा like used up ना लगे. Other than that, I really like the length of this, the way it feels. I mean sleeveless है, but it's not super strappy. So again, something that I like. Neckline I like. पीछे कुछ है नहीं, it just has this beautiful floral print all over, and this blue color also. It looks really good. I was thinking of pairing this up with some white khadi pants or just white pant in general. It will look so good. I really like it, so yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep it. Next, I picked up a bunch of belts because मेरे पास एक भी नहीं है. So currently jeans में I'm very in between sizes. Size 30 fits me perfectly, but when I'm sitting or after eating, it feels very uncomfortable near the tummy area. And if I switch up to size 32, it's loose but it's comfortable afterwards, you know what I mean? So I want to be comfortable, but I also don't want my jeans to be hanging super low and like coming off. So that's the reason I wanted some belts, because सारे अभी के जो भी मैंने नए jeans लिए हैं, everything is size 32 and they are quite loose on me. So belts are gonna come in for the rescue. So सबसे पहला belt जो मैंने order किया है is from this brand called Tie Belt, and this is one of my favorite belts that I picked up. So it looks something like this. I love this eyelet detail जो है, बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत edgy and chic लग रहा है. And this is how the buckle looks like. Very simple, very plain. It has this two strap, and यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो. It's just very plain black, but जो ये double eyelet detailing दिया हुआ है, it just adds so much more pizzazz. You can see how well it's looking, and literally ये पूरा यहाँ से यहाँ तक पूरा hook detailing दिया हुआ है, because of which आपको फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ने वाला है. It's going to fit literally everyone, because you have so many options that you can just put in and be comfortable with. One of my favorite belts. Also quality is so good. I did not expect it to be such good and high quality. इसका material जो है वो vegan leather. It's not leather, it's vegan leather. So pleather बोल सकते हो, fake leather बोल सकते हो. It's that quality and it's so freaking good and comfortable. Absolutely love it. One of my favorite belts that I picked up from Amazon. Black belt हो गया, so of course I wanted to pick up a brown belt as well. This is from this brand called Palais, and it looks something like this. Like, look at that. It's so cool. I definitely didn't want like a basic black, white, beige, brown. I wanted it to have some kind of character. So not only can I wear it as a normal belt, I also can use it as an accessory if I'm wearing like a one piece and I just want to define my waistline. I want it to pop. I want to add some accessory. I can literally use this on a skirt, on a dress, literally anything. If I want to cinch in the waist, I want it to have some kind of accessory. Like, how cool will this look? I love it. So इसका बेल्ट भी ऐसे कुछ तो आया है. It just has this one thing. Again, very simple, very plain. Nothing going on over here. But the main detailing starts right over here. It's brown. It has this gold, like a rustic gold detailing all around. It looks very, very good. The belt is just this much. Okay, all of this is good, but the belt is just this much. And I wish कि ये थोड़ा यहाँ तक होता, because ये मुझे थोड़ा लूज बैठ रहा है. I definitely wanted it to be like till here, this long, ताकि और भी ज़्यादा मुझे tighten up करने में मिलता. Just one issue that I have, but I'm definitely going to keep it. I really like it. And the last belt I have for you guys is again from this brand called Palais, and this is more of like a accessory more than a belt. As I said, it's more like an accessory than a belt, so you just have to wear it like a chain. Honestly, यहाँ पर बहुत सारा ये है जो आप हुकअप कर सकते हो कहाँ पर भी. आई एम श्योर यू मस्ट हैव सीन दिस ऑन अ लॉट ऑफ वेबसाइट, एंड आई वाज सुपर एक्साइटेड टू गेट दिस वन बिकॉज ये काफ़ी टाइम से मेरे विश लिस्ट में था, एंड आई फाइनली हैव इट ओवर हियर. Again, you can wear it as a belt. You can just hook it as a belt accessory. You can wear it on dresses to kind of like highlight it, on skirts to add a little bit more of a character oomph. I love it. It's looking very good. It's looking very rustic. और ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है because it's like not gold. It has this oxidized gold. ये थोड़ा अगर dark भी हो जाएगा, it won't look as bad. So yeah, I really like it. Like quality अच्छा ही है. I was not expecting it कि अच्छा quality आएगा, but अच्छा ही quality आया है. So I'm very pleasantly surprised. This is such a cool accessory to add to level up any of your outfits. I'm definitely gonna keep it a 10 out of 10. Next, I picked up a tote bag from Miragio. Now I own a lot of bags from Miragio, short bags, tote bags as well. But major problem that I had with that tote bags is there's to never provide a zip. And guess what? I finally have a great tote bag that has a zip as well. Let's unbox this. Look at this beauty. I am obsessed with this color, this cherry red color with the black and gold accent. So freaking good. I am obsessed with this color. And the best thing, it comes with multiple zips. So यहाँ एक zip है, plus यहाँ main zip है, which again it was missing from so many tote bags that are ordered previously. And look at the storage and the amount of stuff that it has inside as well. यहाँ पर भी लैपटॉप रखने के लिए एक सॉफ्ट कुशनिंग वाला दिया हुआ है. प्लस यू कैन जस्ट सिक्योर इट विद दिस ताकि वो निकले नहीं, गिरे नहीं एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. On this side also they have given a bunch of storage area जहाँ पर आप चीज़ें रख सकते हो. Plus a big area right over here. And this side also they have given a small zip जहाँ पर आपके keys and all of that stuff रख सकते हो. Yep. Not only that, they have given a zip right over here. I also love this accent. It adds a lot of character. यहाँ पर एक minimal Miragio का branding है. This is how the base looks like. I like it that they have given this like थोड़ा कड़क ये है, तो वो ऐसे एकदम चपटा नहीं होगा. It will sit perfectly. I think this is such a great work bag as well, and this is how the back looks like. Nothing in the back, and they have given these kind of side pockets as well. इसमें भी आप चीज़ें रख सकते हो. This is called their Abby laptop tote bag, and because it's a laptop bag, I think they have added a bunch of zips, which I am happy with because ऐसा एक tote bag मुझे चाहिए था. It looks good and it's super functional. I can actually wear it and go catch a train, and I'll be okay with it and not feel super insecure कि बहुत easily कोई भी हाथ डाल के कुछ भी चीज़ें निकाल सकता है. If you're staying in India and you're traveling by train, you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm very happy with this purchase. I'm definitely going to keep it. The quality is 10 on 10. Again, मैंने Miragio के as I said काफ़ी सारे bags use किए हैं. One of the bag जो वो PU ऐसे एकदम सॉफ्ट मटेरियल वाला होता है ना, वो वेदर होना स्टार्ट हो चुका है. बट मटेरियल लाइक दिस, ये वाला जो मटेरियल है ये ख़राब नहीं होता है. सो आई एम हैप्पी विद दिस परचेज. अगेन आई रियली लाइक द स्ट्रैप्स ऑन दिस. इट्स नॉट सुपर थिक, इट्स लाइक परफेक्ट, सिट्स रियली वेल. अंदर का जितना भी स्टोरेज दिया हुआ है, एवरीथिंग इज नाइस एंड स्पेशियस. प्लस द गोल्ड हार्डवेयर डिटेलिंग, ऑल्सो इनका जो भी zips and everything here, it's very soft. I've never had any issues with that. I am super obsessed with this bag. I'm definitely going to keep it a 10 on 10. Next, I picked up this pajama set from this brand called Triumph. Again, I saw it on the website. I really liked how it was looking on the model website पे, तो मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा and I really wanted to try it out. It's a little bit expensive, but I wanted to get a set like this. So this is how the top looks like. You can see it in the try on part how it looks on me. काफ़ी ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल है. आई हैव ऑलरेडी ट्राइड इट आउट एंड आई वोन इट मल्टीपल टाइम्स. ये अभी अभी वॉश से निकल के आया है एंड दैट्स द रीज़न इट्स अ लिटिल बिट like crinkled, but yeah, it looks something like this. It's a beautiful peach beige color आप बोल सकते हो. एंड इस पे ये ग्रे वाला पाइपिंग डिटेलिंग है. आपने ये ऐसा सिमिलर वाला ब्लैक एंड वाइट पाइपिंग में देखा होगा या वाइट or something like that, but the material on this is so freaking soft. As soon as you wear this, it feels so good. It literally feels like you're not wearing anything. It's so comfortable and perfect for pajamas, I would say. So yeah, it looks something like very plain basic, but I like such plain basic things. And ये कुछ ऐसा like top मुझे इतना see through नहीं लगा, but the pant is super see through. Okay, and it's nice and cute and short. Like look at that, how cute is this? In person काफी see through है, but I don't mind because the top on this is nice and long, so it kind of overlaps the shorts quite a lot. उसके वजह से ये इतना सी थ्रू नहीं लगता है. I love this set, one of my favorite PJs that I own. So if you're interested, you can definitely get it a 10 out of 10. And the last thing I picked up are these clear storage organizers, which looks something like this. Now this comes in bunch of sizes. One is this big size, फिर उसके बाद ये वाला size, and then a little smaller than that and a little smaller than that. So I have picked up a set of 20. I love these. I already own this and I really wanted another set of this because I use them all around the house. वो पूरे drawers में I've used this to kind of organize, and now I've renovated my washroom, so I wanted these to kind of stack up and just organize my storage, and it really helps. आप इसमें आपके मेकअप ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकते हो, नेल पॉलिश, लिपस्टिक्स, आपका वॉशरूम के जो भी नेसेसिटीज है वो ऑर्गेनाइज करके रख सकते हो, एंड दे लुक शीक एंड क्यूट एज वेल. इसमें colors भी थे, but I like these kind of clear plastic thing. Absolutely love this. If you're interested in some kind of organizers, these are really good. I would highly recommend. And that's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. Also, आज के haul में आपका favorite product कौन सा था? Let me know. Everything will be linked in the description down below. Also, Amazon's Great Freedom Sale is now live. You can get up to 70% off on all top fashion brands. Right now is the perfect time to get the shopping done. So सारी चीजें मैंने link कर दी है आप लोगों के लिए. With that said, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Anywhere you go, give it all.